Hello and welcome to Philosophy 106, Introduction to Symbolic Logic. My name is Lucas Struble and I'm the instructor for this course. I got my PhD at UCLA about 5 years ago, but I've been teaching for longer than that. I'm really excited about this course, so let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to introduce the overall course structure, sort of like a syllabus review. And then in other videos for this unit, I'll introduce you to the topics for logic, the logic itself, what we're going to be doing in the course, what the course topic is, and also show you how to navigate the Canvas website and how to obtain the free Logic 2010 program, which is where you'll be doing a good chunk of your homework. So the overall course structure then. So we'll have 3 units a week, and those are kind of like class meetings, you can think of them as, and there will be exercises due Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights at midnight. So within each unit, we'll have on the course website, we'll have videos and slides on the course concepts and exercise examples if there are exercises. They'll be reading from the text, and there'll be exercises in the Logic 2010 program and or on Canvas. And your course grade will be calculated from those homework exercises. So at the end of the course, I'll figure out what your overall percentage of points you earned is, and calculate your grade from that. So 90% or higher will be an A, 80% or higher of the total possible points will be a B, and so on. So our text. Our text is called Shantila's Inside Logic. It's written by Marvin Belzer. It's free, which is really nice. And it's available in Unit 1 on Canvas, or at least the first part of it is available in Unit 1. I'll be uploading subsequent parts as we get to them. There's another text which is sort of a backup text, which if you feel like you'd like to read more about the material from another somewhat different perspective and presentation, also free. It's called An Exposition of Symbolic Logic, written by Terry Parsons, and that's available in the Logic 2010 program in the main menu, and I'll show you where that is when we get more into the Logic 2010 program. So the Logic 2010 program is free software. You'll be doing many of your exercises in it, and I'll discuss it more in the next unit. You won't be doing any exercises in it for the first unit, although one of your homework assignments for this first unit due on Wednesday is to create an account in it. So homework exercises. So they're regular and important for 2 reasons. One is that that's just basically all of your grade, and then also it's the way you learn the material. You'll get to know the material in some ways from watching the videos and doing the reading, but you'll really get it when you do the exercises. So you'll need to do them if you're going to learn the material from the course. Some of it will be on Canvas. A lot of it will be in the Logic 2010 program. And the assignments are listed on the assignments page, and I'll show you how those are listed in the Canvas navigation video, and then also in videos on Logic 2010. Okay, so the Canvas website, just briefly, there's a syllabus on it. There's the text. If you look to the left side, you'll see all of this. There's the text is in, not all of it. The text is in this unit. There's a discussion board on the left. You'll see the modules on the left. Those are the units. Conferences will be using the Confer Zoom technology for video office hours, and that software is also free, provided to us by El Camino. And then there's the assignments list, and I'll just go through those briefly in the next or in the Canvas video. And there are also homework exercises. As I said, I'll be having video office hours. Those will be, at least for now, Mondays and Thursdays from 8 to 9 p.m. And I can also do them by appointment. And if people aren't able to make those Mondays and Thursdays, then I will reschedule those in general as well. We'll be using the Zoom program, and that's through the Confer Zoom section of Canvas. And it's required that you spend 10 minutes talking with me at some point during the course about how your work is going, and we'll just talk about how your work is going and what you can do, if there are any problems you're having with the material, how we can work on those so that you can solve those problems. And that's just a requirement for passing the class. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to watch the videos and review associated slides. You need to do the readings in the text. You need to do the exercises both in Canvas and in the program. You need to ask me questions, and you can do that on the discussion board or in video conferences. And email's not as good. I prefer that you ask questions on the discussion board because other students might find the Q&A helpful. If there's sort of very specific stuff, then email is fine, but discussion board's better so that other people can see the answers to the questions. So for Wednesday, what do you need to do? Well, you should watch the other videos in the first module. You should read chapters 1 and 2. And that's not very much. The chapters are short, so that's 5 or 6 pages. You should take the quiz on chapters 1 and 2. That's 3 questions, and that's on the Canvas website. There's a required discussion board posting on real-life reasoning, so you'll need to post there. And then finally, your last assignment is to create an account in the free Logic 2010 program. And if you don't do those, I'll assume you're a no-show. And so if you don't do those by Wednesday at 11:59, I'll drop you from the course as a no-show, unless there's some reason why you're not able to do them. So if you're going to have trouble with that, get in touch with me and let me know. So I'm really excited about this course. I'm looking forward to it. And so let's get into the next videos.